From humble beginnings to global success, the tasteful triumph of NutriServe. Once upon a time, in a small town with a big heart, an ambitious entrepreneur named Sam Nguyen had a vision. He dreamt of creating a food manufacturing plant that would bring people together, break down cultural barriers, and offer nutritious and delicious ready meals to those who needed them the most. With a solid plan in hand, Sam founded NutriServe, which soon became the epitome of success in the food industry. NutriServe began its journey as a modest food manufacturing facility, focusing on delivering high-quality ready meals for schools, hospitals, and restaurants. As the business grew, Sam realized the importance of diversity, both in terms of the people who worked for him and the food they produced. With this in mind, he started hiring employees from various cultural backgrounds, creating a melting pot of talent and culinary expertise. The rich diversity of NutriServe's workforce proved to be one of its greatest strengths. Each worker brought their unique skills, knowledge, and flavor profiles to the table, allowing the company to create an eclectic menu of ready meals that catered to different tastes and dietary requirements. This range of products quickly gained popularity, and NutriServe became a household name. As NutriServe's reputation soared, so did its commitment to sustainability and local sourcing. The company formed partnerships with local farmers, ensuring that the freshest ingredients were used in their meals. This not only helped the environment but also supported the local economy. NutriServe's efforts were recognized with numerous awards for their eco-friendly practices, further solidifying their position as a responsible and forward-thinking company. One of NutriServe's most significant milestones came when it won a prestigious contract to supply ready meals for a nationwide network of schools. This breakthrough allowed the company to expand its reach and touch the lives of millions of children, providing them with nutritious and appetizing food that fueled their bodies and minds. NutriServe's success continued to snowball, and soon, hospitals and other healthcare facilities also began relying on the company for their food needs. With an unwavering focus on quality, NutriServe ensured that every meal they produced met the highest standards of taste, nutrition, and safety, earning them the trust of their clients. The company's success caught the eye of investors, and soon enough, NutriServe secured funding to further expand its operations. New facilities were built, and the company's workforce grew exponentially. NutriServe became a beacon of hope for immigrants seeking employment, and the company continued to embrace the rich tapestry of cultures that made it so unique. Today, NutriServe stands as a testament to the power of hard work, ingenuity, and the value of diversity. The company's meteoric rise from a humble food manufacturing plant to a global powerhouse has inspired countless others to follow in its footsteps. NutriServe's commitment to providing nutritious, delicious, and culturally diverse meals has positively impacted the lives of millions, making the world a better and tastier place to live. In the words of Sam Nguyen, NutriServe's visionary founder, "Our success is a testament to the power of unity and diversity. By bringing together people from different cultures, we've been able to create a unique and delicious range of meals that cater to everyone's taste buds." NutriServe's story is one of hard work, perseverance, and the belief that when people come together, they can achieve greatness. 1. How has the cultural diversity of NutriServe's workforce impacted the company's success and product range? 2. In what ways has NutriServe taken responsibility for the environment and local communities, and how have these actions influenced their reputation and business? 3. How did NutriServe manage to win the prestigious contract to supply ready meals for a nationwide network of schools? And what significance has this achievement had on the company's growth? 4. What does NutriServe's story tell us about entrepreneurship, hard work, and perseverance? What are the key lessons that others can learn from this success story? 5. How has NutriServe's commitment to providing nutritious, delicious, and culturally diverse meals impacted the well-being of individuals and communities? Thank you. Have a wonderful day.